Let's take a look at how Semrush enables us to effectively address the issue of broken links on our website. This tool is particularly useful because it allows us to effortlessly and swiftly detect those pesky links that are not operational on our site, streamlining our workflow significantly. Once we've accessed the website we're interested in looking at the errors. In this case, we see there are 625, and since the last time we fixed 23. By clicking here, we can access the screen that tells us what kind of links we have broken. In this case, we'll look at... Here we see that we have 16 broken external links. Since the last time you did the review, there are 2 more links. Let's look at these, the broken external links. It works exactly the same with all the others. On this screen, it informs us of what error code each link gives. That URL error that has been causing us some issues. From Rast, we can work directly by simply clicking here, which opens another new tab. This tab directs us to our own website. Once there, our main task is to locate this problematic link that has been flagged. We must then correct it directly on our website, ensuring that any discrepancies are addressed. By doing this, the problem will have been effectively solved, allowing for a smoother user experience. That we don't want to work directly with Semrush, we can always export the PDF, or we can also export another type of file in Excel, for example in CSV, to work from our computer without directly working with Semrush, and this way also have greater control of which links we have solved and which links have been solved for us, as simple as that.
And there is nothing else to do. With this, you can already start fixing the links on your website.